Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I want to talk to you about working with the list view a little bit more. For example, one of the things we can do with the list view is, let's say we had these contacts on the screen and we decided we wanted to do something common to all of them. For example, we want to schedule a telephone call. Well, if I click on the first contact and hold the shift key down and click on the last contact, it selects all of these contacts. If I want to schedule a telephone call, if I come up and click on call, I want you to observe what it does. It takes all the contacts and puts them in the schedule with field. So now I could type in regarding, and I could just type in follow up. And I can't type this morning, follow up. And now what it will do is it will schedule a call to all of them, individual calls on the calendar. And I can pick the date, the time, and all kinds of different settings in here. So I have the ability to do that, and we'll schedule it with all of these people in one fell swoop. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to click cancel because I'm not going to do that, but I just want to show you that. If I decided that I wanted to create a note for all of these contacts, I can click on note, and I want to draw your attention to the contact field. Now in this case, it only put one of these 7 contacts in this field. In this particular case, I'd have to click on contact to the right. Over here on the left-hand side where it says select from, I'm going to click on this drop down and I'm going to choose the current lookup because those are my contacts I have on the screen. And now you see all of them. If I click on the double arrows, it will put all of them over on the right-hand side. And when I click OK, now you'll notice that this field, the contact field, is populated with all of them. So now I could put one note in here and it would impact or reflect on the record of each one of these individual contacts. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it empty for now and click cancel. If I want to send an email to all of these people, I can click on email, and what it will do is it will open up Microsoft Outlook, and then in Microsoft Outlook it will take all their email addresses and put it in the to field. What you want to do is you never want to send an email like this out to all the people in the to field. I'm going to click over here somewhere to the right. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut to select all, Control A as an apple. I'm going to do Control X to cut them out of there. And now that I've done that, I would put them all in the blind carbon copy field. And now I can send them all an email, and they won't notice that the other person in this list also got the email. So that's the purpose of blind carbon copy. I'm not going to do that at this point, but I just wanted to illustrate that. So there's a lot of things you can do with the to-do list. Just to review, calls, meetings, and to-dos, it will automatically put the contacts in the proper field. Notes and history, you have to go and select the contacts, and email will send them all in the to field, which typically you want to take it out of that. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.